Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm reaching out to everybody today to see if anybody might know anybody who is a hotshot trucker or any kind of guy that's moving stuff around the country. I am having such a horrible time lately with my freight brokers. I can't seem to get stuff moved around the country. They give me one price, then they change it on me. They're canceling shipments, they're delaying shipments. It's just been a disaster. Now this particular engine, this one was for sale. A lot of guys said, oh, I want that engine, I want it, but you know, guys want it for like $3. Anyway, this engine is the type of stuff I'm shipping coast to coast, north to south, east to west. There's stuff going everywhere. I'm having a hard time shipping it. If anybody is looking for loads out of Connecticut, I usually have something going somewhere. I have something inbound, I have a lot of stuff outbound. I just am not successfully moving freight anymore. It's a jungle out there, let me tell you. Freight brokers apparently are the biggest scumbags on the earth, and I'm dealing with so many of them that are just crooks. It's getting me, you know, super pissed off. If anybody is looking for loads, if anybody has a friend, if anybody has a friend of a friend who is somebody that moves around the country hauling loads and they make their living like that and they have insurance and they're good, reliable people, to put a comment below. I definitely want to know somebody. One guy, multiple guys, I don't care, as long as I can start moving freight more successfully. Like I say, this engine is a complete rebuild, like all my engines. No, they're not cheap, but please, you know, stop offering me, you know, $1,200 for a very expensive engine. So this one I am going to use in a project for myself, and I was trying to build engines and sell them. That's not working. I'm going to build complete vehicles. I'm not doing full restorations anymore, as you guys know, so don't bother asking anymore. I'm not doing complete restorations, but I am still going to build vehicles and maybe try and sell them. If not, I'll just use them as part of my retirement plan. So this is the kind of stuff that's moving around the country. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all crated up. Okay guys, in this crate, this is Mark's engine, and it is fully crated up. In this particular box, there's an engine, transmission, transfer case, and steering gear. It weighs 812 pounds, 48 inches by 48 inches by 38 inches tall. That's the kind of stuff that's going. And then I do have some stuff inbound. I'm getting a lot of grief shipping axles for some reason now. So something like this would get put on a pallet. And I've got to get some stuff from Florida to here. There's 2 used axles on a pallet. I cannot get anybody that wants to pick it up unless it's fully crated. I don't understand. The rules are changing just by the seat of their pants. You know, if they don't want to pick something up, they're just like, we're canceling your freight. We're not going to pick it up for you because it needs to be in a crate. It's never been like that. I don't understand what's going on in the shipping world, but it's insane. So things like this on a pallet now, I'm not able to ship. And I just found that out today. I had a shipment set up and they canceled. So, like I say, if anybody knows anybody, a friend, or like I say, anybody in the business, anybody that's looking for loads, I generally have something moving out of here. So, get back to me if you're interested. Okay, guys, one last thing that I ship a lot of. I am getting rid of a bunch of bodies I have from SGI. And shipping these big crates. The freight brokers and the shippers and everybody, they're having a field day with me. They're adding feet to the size of the crate. You know, if you go over 96, they charge you for an overage charge. None of these are over 96, and I have to fight with them every time. It's getting ridiculous. I got $1,000 overage charge from a company, and I mean, it's just nonsense. It took me forever to get it straightened out. I had to sit out there with a tape measure and a camera and go over the whole thing and show them. It wasn't over 8 feet. So I'm looking for alternative ways to ship things, from bodies to whole vehicles to engines to axles, transmissions, transfer cases, you name it. I'm trying to move it around the country, and I'm getting beat down by all these brokers. So anybody can offer any help, I would be very appreciative. So that's all I have for you today, just a quickie, and we'll move on to some better things in the next video. But thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.